How to fix Snapchat app black screen issue on both Android and iOS. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the problem of black screen on Snapchat. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly go to your settings and under app management, search for Snapchat. Click on it. After that, go to storage. There you need to clear the cache of the application. After you are done with this, go to Play Store and search for Snapchat application. There you need to check whether the Snapchat on your mobile device is updated or not. If not, click on Update and download the latest version of it. After all these steps, you are recommended to restart your device, and that's it. That is how you can easily fix the problem of black screen of Snapchat on both Android and iOS. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.